Okay, so you joined 31. Welcome. Where do you start? I'm going to teach you guys how you get logged into what we call our back office or BO, what they call. I know that sounds kind of funny, but you're going to go to the 31 website and you should get this screen. On here, you're going to put in your username, which is your consultant ID, and whatever the password was that you set up when you enrolled. So once you do that, you're going to go to Take Me to TOT. So that is, again, what we refer to our back office. So 31 today. Click on there. And we're going to start out by going to our profile. So this will be your welcome screen. If you look over here to the right, you're going to see a picture of myself, and I'm going to click on My Profile. When I go to that, we're going to scroll down and view profile in our virtual office. So this is going to allow us to customize your website. So it's not just my31.com/your consultant ID number. We want to change it so that it has your name associated with it. So now you're going to click on the My Website Information tab and go down here to personalize. When you click on that, see how where it says my website name? I've already changed it to have my website or to have my name in it. So it needs to be one word. And right now it will probably be showing your consultant ID number. So you're going to want to delete that and then put whatever you want as what's going to follow your website. So something simple and easy for your customers to find, and most people choose to do their name. So once you put in whatever you're going to use as your personalized website, you're going to go down here and click Save, and it will keep that information. So now we are going to go back to our home page, and up here this tab says for new consultants. So on here, if you click on New Consultants, it will take you to this main home page for new consultants. Here is where you start by clicking on a webinar. So these webinars for new consultants are something that you want to register for and join right away. It gives you lots of helpful information on getting started. And they offer these twice a week. So there's lots of different times that they offer them, and you can go back because they're recorded. If you do get on one of the live webinars, it gives you the opportunity to ask live questions and get answers right away. After that, you're going to want to go to your contacts, and I'll show you where to do that, and go to your Who Do You Know list. So you can click on that and start putting in all your contacts of different friends and family and neighbors and anyone you know with their website, so that they start being stored in your back office under your contacts. So that is just a start with where to get going when you first enroll. So hopefully that was helpful.